Talk to me.
Desick Smith.
Alright, quick heads up before we dive in. What you're about to watch is one of those courtroom moments where a judge goes full parental mode on a defendant, and not the stern lecture type. No, this one's part guidance counselor, part disappointed uncle. Keep an eye on the judge's tone later. He switches from legal authority to life coach real quick.
He's one of the ones that,
Okay. What's the last name?
Smith, Desick, fugitive, out of Louisiana, one of those four guys that you already talked about. He's the one that did not have he was a passenger, not the one with the weapon.
Notice how often the family gets involved in these hearings. Judges love when there's a responsible adult in the picture, someone who's willing to vouch for the defendant. It doesn't guarantee leniency, but it absolutely softens the edges when the court knows there's structure waiting on the outside.
There were 3 passengers.
I talked to his mother.
How old is this kid?
He's awful young. I can't take the computer. I don't. He looks awful young. I talked to his mother. His mother's willing to post bond and able to post bond if it's reasonable.
Therein lies the question. What is reasonable? Right.
1,500 would be reasonable. I know. Nelson, did they respond?
What's that?
Did they respond on Nelson?
Smith. Bring up Mr. Smith.
Okay, yeah, we're on Smith.
Smith's coming out now.
Plaque claims that they told them they were not going to mess with it. We're still waiting for the official word from Florida. What's that name of that city?
I don't know that. I just went by the county.
It's another one of those.
I've been mispronouncing.
Natchitoches.
I've been mispronouncing
I
county.
know.
Morning, Mr. Smith. How's jail?
The worst experience of my life, bro.
Makes me really happy. It's supposed to be, you know, the idea.
Here comes a pivotal moment. This is where the judge has to decide. Is this kid a genuine first-timer who made a terrible decision, or is he the type who might bolt the second he gets bond? Watch how the judge tests him with those direct, almost more or less questions. This is classic judicial pressure mixed with a reality check.
Jails are that you learn. And unfortunately, we have people that just don't get it. No matter how long the sentences are, no matter how cold the bars get, they just don't get it. You're wanted out of Louisiana for this car.
Yes, sir.
Your lawyer's asking for me to set you a bond, but I don't know. I've never met you before. I don't know you. You know, one of the things that I consider is, number one, are you going to go back if we set you a bond? Number two, are you a dangerous person? Because I don't want to set you a bond and then you leave a wake of destruction on your way to Louisiana. I mean, I don't want that.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Kim, tell me about Mr. Smith.
Your Honor, this now defendant, along with 3 co-defendants, stole a vehicle out of Louisiana and transferred state lines on the same day and was apprehended in Harris County. He's facing a felony charge there due to the fact that they transferred state lines within 24 hours of stealing the vehicle, which was captured on surveillance video. State would be opposed to a bond as state considers him a flight risk.
Any prior criminal history?
No, Your Honor.
Judge, he is from Natchitoches, Louisiana, which is where the offense is from. His family lived there and he was born there. They moved to Manning, Louisiana. I talked to his wife and his girlfriend.
His wife?
Mother.
23.
That's what I
His
call it.
mother and his girlfriend. Okay. I spoke to his mother, Sophia Smith. She lives in Manning, Louisiana. She will post his bond. And I spoke to Sophia Smith and she'll come over and pick him up. That's and transport him back to Louisiana.
Here's the thing, Mr. Smith, is I need you to understand that we don't play games. If I set you a bond and you make that bond, we give you 2 weeks to go turn yourself in.
I will, sir. I promise.
We don't play games. So if you fail to do it, I'm going to revoke that bond. I'll set it at 0. I'm going to issue a nationwide warrant for your arrest. I'm going to get you because you can't run forever. And the next time you will not get another one. Do you understand? Okay. I'm going to set you a bond at $1,500. Here's the other thing. Life is short. Life, when you end up with a bunch of convictions, it doesn't become a fun life. What makes life fun is you get knowledge. And when you get knowledge, you buy things because you get money. But you only do that when you go out there, school, learn, get a good job. That's what life is about. I'm not picking up convictions.
Sir, that's nothing. I'm in college right now too, sir. That's why. it's kind of creative. I'm
Really in college?
just audio arts.
And now with all this, really? Dude, when you hang with boneheads, it doesn't end up well, you know? Get a clue so you don't end up back here. Mr. Smith, I'm gonna set your bond at $1,500. Just, Mr. Smith,
Yes, sir.
don't disappoint us, man. Do something with your life. Don't become another statistic. $1,500 and then do right, man. It's not hard in this life, you know? All right, we got you, buddy.
Thank you, Judge.
So if he can make it, I'll print out the reset for him to sign and I have the waiver withdrawal for you to sign. 'Cause he's-
I'll bring that. Don't send him back yet. You got some.
Yeah, so I'm typing up the reset right now, but the waiver withdrawal is there for you to sign.